Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So today is the first time we see our program. For you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. For the media setting ahead of the match where Arsenal go play against Nottingham Forest. So they're going to ask Arteta say how this team go play against Nottingham Forest and what's it going to stop make una players, especially the strikers, know they score plenty goals. Waiting they stop. So Arteta can they talk say our strikers need to score because we need goals right now. Because if you don't score goals, how you go take win the matches? It is true say maybe people like Granit Xhaka they chip in 1 or 2 goals, then maybe wingers they chip in goals, but you see people like Gabriel Jesus and Nketiah, see they need to score because we need goals. That is why they are strikers. So Baba can also talk say for the fact say Gabriel Jesus don't go 5 games, 6 games, he never score. So no be the first striker we don't go through that kind of patch. So it is normal for strikers to just play a few games and they no go score. But one thing is say the striker go still rediscover in form. It dey happen. Harry Kane gone, he dey suffer am. Even Aguero when he dey Man City, he suffer. It's a normal thing again. Sometimes you can't just be scoring every day again. We just get that kind of blank patch. Then when you come better, you can start to score back again. So we just the hope say the team go play very well. And for the fact say we don't come back to home now. We did for Emirates Stadium that is regarded as a fortress. So we are expected to win for today's match. And Babak also the talk say for the last 5 games we play like 4 or 3 away games. Get away games, I think it is 4. Play 4 away games. So you know they very easy get. But now we are coming back to come and stay in our home patch get with our fans. So we are expecting nothing less than 3 points for here. And plus all the whole things will don't happen for the weekend. Oh man, like I just to now. Sure, you know, so Chelsea play yesterday. Chelsea play Brighton. I know that the first time we Graham Potter come the face in old side, the Zerbi. Now the assistants, now they take over the Brighton. So as them play, Brighton give them 4-1. In short, they outplay Chelsea, outclass them, outrun them, outknock them, out everything them. In short, Chelsea don't know what to do than that yesterday, and that was the first loss of this Graham Potter. You know, so they talk say the guy never lose for a very long time, and I like as they lose so that they will come down to earth because after that lose we then lose. Now we then go play next to get. So now Arsenal go play their own match, and as Chelsea don't lose now, Arsenal would like to better what Chelsea do. And not only Chelsea lose, Liverpool also they lost against Leeds. I think 18th place Leeds, waiting for down from what the look of things. They can't lose 2-1 at home, you get, which means Liverpool don't lose back to back to relegation teams, you get. They lose the previous one against Nottingham Forest. They can't play against Leeds now. They can't lose. So what can you say about that again? Even your club self don't know what it is. Don't talk say we need to search deep to see what is wrong at Liverpool with all the stars they have, with their Salah, with their Darwin Núñez, with everybody that is somebody there. They no fit still win again. So what are we talking about? If now Arsenal now people will kill our neck. See, this season is very different. Look at Leeds, we almost kill us. We win them, abi we escape. But look at Liverpool that they don't feel escape Leeds. At their own home, Anfield though, don't be saying that away you get. So that's why I always call for people to cut some slack. Just let the players feel your love. Don't be every time going to castigate them. Even other people say no, they find out easy. Okay, look at Chelsea now. What you go explain for that Chelsea own? Where they go chop 4-1, you get. See, how many times don't chop that kind of score this is nobody Manchester United give us 3-1, I be 3-2. So all these things cut these players some slack. And what does this one mean now? For the fact that Chelsea don't lose, Liverpool don't lose, what does it mean for Arsenal? So if Arsenal play today against Nottingham Forest now, if Arsenal win, Arsenal will reach 2 points ahead of Manchester City. We did 5 points ahead of Tottenham Hotspur. We did 10 points ahead of Chelsea. We did 11 points ahead of Manchester United. And we did 15 big points ahead of a Liverpool. So this is enough incentive, enough motivating factor. I don't want to know whether we don't tire. This is a big motivation for us to win today's match. If we win them, we will wipe out any type of result we don't play in the past. You know what it means to be giving somebody like Liverpool 15 points gap. You know what it means to be giving maybe Manchester United or Chelsea 11 points. 11 points gap means you need to draw 3 games, you need to lose 3 games, and at least draw 2 for that 11 point, or at least draw 4 games. We're not go there easy yet. So that is why if we put our stake on that top 4, you see games like this Nottingham Forest at home, it dey very big, and it will feel help us restore our confidence because our confidence has been shaky for the past days. So if we win this one at home and with all the mountain Nottingham Forest on they make, especially that their captain Ryan Yates when they talk say they won't knock Arsenal, that they be the giant killer since when they knock Liverpool, say it is going for them now. Say now Arsenal here, they can't wait to play Arsenal, so they are expecting to beat Arsenal. Well, now today now, so we will see how it goes up. Away from that, so Real Madrid self don't come outside say that they interested in Son of Tottenham Hotspur, and what make this news this significant to us be say as Real Madrid they interested in Son, they don't shift their interest come out from Saka, because as Son they more likely to join them than Saka, because Saka they now the guy still dey young, so in future still dey for Arsenal, but Son if he don't dey old now, so he no get any more time on his hand, so if he know what thing they do, he go move. Even Harry Kane self, the guys have no say if he no come out, if he don't end the career winning nothing again. So Bayern Munich say that the reason I mean can't join them because now them need center forward bad, because we check their own now. Sometimes they go put Mane there, sometimes they go put Choupo-Moting there. So but they need an out and night number 9, as in confirmed number 9. We get area presence, really very good and very prolific. That's why they look for her. So I just they have to say they get their interest with Son, so make them leave our Bukayo Saka alone. Away from that, so Real Madrid also going to prepare 3-year bumper contract for Marco Asensio. You know, so Asensio said that by this, and I just like this final season in the by January, go they eligible to discuss with anybody when like. And Fabrizio Romano said they let us know say Marco Asensio agents don't offer him to English clubs where Arsenal follow, Manchester United follow, and the likes. But Real Madrid say they don't want making go, they won't give him a bumper contract, make him stay. But you know, say if he stay there, he go there on the shadow of Fede Valverde and Vinicius Junior. He no get starting berth, and he needs starting position to play. Everybody want to play, and nobody like to stay for Benjamin. You want to play, you want to shine, you want to show the world what you can do, so that you will be recognized in the big stages, like all those kind of Ballon d'Or now. The list players will put your name there, say this is one of the senior men in world football. So that is what they do Asensio. So whether Real Madrid go let him go, I never know. Whether Arsenal will still go for him in January, I never know. We'll just watch. Our Paul Messi himself come outside, they predict the match where Arsenal go play against Nottingham Forest. So Baba can talk say this match will be very interesting in the sense that Nottingham Forest will come in, they don't go play attacking football. They'll come here and play 10 men behind the ball. They'll come and pack the balls and play defensive. They will look for, even if not draw, maybe they manage and go. Or if they go physical counter attacks, come and go, they will come lock up the more. But say Arsenal, if they say Arsenal winning this match because the stakes are high, this match has great importance. And like Baba Sato will talk sometimes, he will say when you expect Arsenal to perform at the highest level, that is why they will clap for your hand. But just the hope say today will be an exception. Again, today will be very different. For Messi, they talk say this match, if Arsenal need to win it, they need to score an early goal. If Arsenal score an early goal, the floodgates will be open. I'm saying Arsenal can score more goals, because when they concede, they'll be forced to come outside. They're not going to defense again when they concede now. It's not going to make any sense. But if we don't score early goal, then we need to be very patient. At least they walk them, they change the ball from side to side very fast. Again, they walk them until they'll get tired and doors go open again, because for the first 20-30 minutes, everybody will be energetic, so they'll come block everywhere. So we need to know what we are doing. So just patience is key. So you know, talk how many goals Arsenal will score, but in the talk say if Arsenal score early, go plenty. Not Arsenal score early, go dey tight. But at the end of the day, he's seen Arsenal take all 3 points from these people. Well, now our prayer be that self, more they see. Now onto some positive news. So El Neni don't return to Arsenal training. So we are very happy. Say the guy don't come back. We'll never know whether they fit enough to start any match. All we know that El Neni is back again. At least he will give some kind of people like Granit Xhaka, Thomas Partey a much breather again. And El Neni is a better upgrade than Sambi Lokonga. So even if Partey no play, El Neni did there, at least our mind go dey rest assured say okay, another senior man dey, because he get wealth of experience. So he know what to do at the right time, and he know if he bully him anyhow, himself good on his own. So I did very happy say the guy don't come back to full training. So we are very happy. So even if Smith Rowe self never come back, but the guy saying go come watch the match for the Emirates to come support the boys, show them love you get. Because everybody knows say this match today, the fans know how important it is. Even at that we don't tell the team for dressing room say, Chelsea don't lose, see Liverpool, see man you gone, nobody they beat out, see Tottenham Hotspur escape. Imagine coming back from 2-0 to beat the Bournemouth. They escape, you get. See, this league hard. So Arsenal said we'll try our best to get. So when they cut us some slack, easy. This league hard small, I beg. When I just support the team, show them love you get, and they will not disappoint you. Apart from El Nene, even Makinho self don't return to full training. We are very, very happy to say our guys on the comeback at least. So that if they want rest Saka, they go feel they put Makinho. It will make sense again. Makinho still be saying that injury him go, na sick in sick. So he don't recover, he lost fluids and everything. So the guy don't return to full training. So whether I go there for the bench, I never know. I whether they will still keep him, the rest time, I never know. But all we know is today match is a must win. I can't wait. I think in Nigerian time the match is 3 p.m. again. I don't know for our country which time they go play. So we'll just watch as since they go. Our Paul Messi himself don't come outside. They tell Arsenal, they beg them, say make them sign Wilfred Zaha. Say the guy go make sense for Arsenal. And the guy said, not even they collect plenty wages for that Selhurst Park for Crystal Palace. The guy they collect £130,000 per week. Imagine. So imagine just sign him and give him 200,000. It will make sense now. And the guy now 6 months left in contract by January, so he will be eligible to discuss with anybody, just like Marco Asensio. So if you go there, if you want to sign and go save, I think that kind 15. If it's too much, maybe £20 million they will give you because they don't get choice. If they don't sell them now, at the end of the season, it's going to go for free. And so even themselves, they only look for replacements where they will buy to collect the guy. So that's what it just be. Now I wait till today's match. So our biggest match now, because Arsenal versus Nottingham Forest is supposed to be an ordinary encounter, but because of what is at stake, if we win, where we go day, the gap will give every other person. And some people say don't play 2 matches ahead of us. Newcastle still there for top 4. The para this season, you see this season's top 4 will be very, very tough. Look at Liverpool now. Don't be surprised at the end of the day Liverpool no go make top 4. Go show you the level of intensity in the league. So this match, I want to talk about our last 5 games, but when I do my research, our last 5 games for Emirates, and they see 1986, 1970, something, 1960. So all those are not relevant in today's game now. But all we can say is Nottingham Forest, they are not that good. You get, so they just get a lucky win against Liverpool. They are that good. They're not going for 20th position. They are not that good. So we too, we are at home. We are better than them on paper. But in the field of play, it is 11-11. So now who get the best intensity? And they say themselves they don't rest ahead of this match. They know they play plenty games. They play like once in 7 days or thereabouts. Who will play like once in 4 days, once in 3 days. And we just come from our loss against PSV. So for today's match, then when they ask Arteta, say how the boys will respond, Arteta say the best way to respond from a defeat is to win your next game. And if we are responding from the defeat of PSV, we are playing this Nottingham Forest. So today, my prayer will say Arsenal will knock them 3-0. Like we need a massive response to let people know, say fine, we are coming from a bad patch, but we have overcome that bad patch. Now we want to win, we want to enjoy our games. So my dear football lovers, if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click and see that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now game out. Happy Sunday.